This is lecture 3. What do you understand by IP? Now, when we see the word intellectual property or IP, few things pop up in your mind. That what do you understand by property? What do you understand by tangible property? What do you understand by intangible property? What do you understand by patent? What do you understand by copyright? What do you understand by trademark? So, we will try to see what these different types of properties are and what these different types of intellectual properties are. So, starting with say this property. When we are talking about a property, we divide property into two types, that is tangible property and intangible property. When we say tangible property, what do you understand? It is something which you can touch, which you can see by your eyes. So, that is something which you